Today we're blending faith and fun with some really exciting letter recognition activities for preschoolers. And guess what? All of these activities and materials are a part of the Reading by Design curriculum. Stick around all the way to the end because I will share with you more about how you can access these activities and a whole lot more through Reading by Design. Let's kick things off with a Christian alphabet beginning sound activity sort. In this activity, children will sort Bible-related pictures to letters using the beginning sounds. It's a fantastic way to introduce them to both letters and biblical concepts. Plus, it adds a little extra layer of meaning to their learning journey. In this activity, children will group pictures based on the common beginning sound that all the pictures have. For example, using the letter J, J makes the J sound. So children will get the pictures of Jacob and Jonah and put all of these pictures together along with the letter J. Kids will continue to do this until they sort all of the alphabet, or you can have children do this only using certain letters or letter sounds. Next up, we have Christian alphabet-themed beginning sound cards. Children will look at the picture of the card and say the name of the image or picture they see, then either using closing pins or any other kind of manipulative, they will identify which one of the three letters actually matches the beginning sound that they hear. It's interactive, it's engaging, and it reinforces both letter recognition and faith-based learning. Let's take this sound clip for example. They see the picture of Jacob, then they're going to look at the letters S, J, and C. S makes the S sound, C makes the K sound, and J makes the J sound. So Jacob must start with the letter J. So then they will put either a Play-Doh dot or they could simply just point to the letter J. Next, we have a Christian letter recognition game or alphabet memory game. This classic memory game features letters paired with Christian themed images. It's a fun way for children to simply just practice their letter recognition skills while also deepening their relation to their faith and knowledge of Bible stories. Of course, with the classic game of memory, all cards will be face down, and during your turn you flip over two cards and see if the letter matches up with the beginning sound of the picture. If it does, then you collect those two cards and go again. If it doesn't, then it's the next person's turn, and whoever has collected the most pairs at the end of the game would win. Now, if you're wanting to blend faith and phonics even further, then remember that all of the activities shown in this video are included in Reading by Design, but wait, there's even more. If you're eager to learn even more strategies for teaching the alphabet in a simple yet engaging way, then you won't want to miss out on my free workshop. Join me for an interactive session where I'll be teaching you how to help your little ones master letter sound recognition and even letter formation. Down below in the description, you will see how to sign up for this free workshop, so go ahead and let's embark on this educational journey together. If you want to make this teaching letter recognition thing even easier for you, then you must grab the Reading by Design curriculum. This is where faith and phonics unite with a seamless implementation. If you're a Christian teacher or parent seeking a comprehensive, Christ-centered approach to teach the letters of the alphabet while simultaneously embracing the teachings of Jesus Christ, then this curriculum is perfect for you. This adaptable, done-for-you curriculum includes, but is not limited to, a 30-week alphabet curriculum, 30 weeks of scripted lesson plans, including a 30-week scope and sequence that arranges letters from easy to difficult, 30+ printable hands-on activities, easy-to-follow video instructions, instructional alphabet printables, letter and recognition sound assessments, 26 intervention lessons, 50+ interactive digital learning games, and even Christian-themed read-alouds, Christian-themed hands-on activities, and scripted daily prayer poems. In addition to the prayer poems and everything else I just named, you'll even get a done-for-you shopping kit with all of the hands-on materials that you need to implement these done-for-you lessons. Plus, if you are restricted and unable to teach the teachings of Jesus Christ and the Bible, no worries, because the curriculum is also adaptable and includes alternative versions for all of the printables and activities. You literally can't go wrong. Just simply visit everythingaja.com/alphabet curriculum.